And we are now have our reporter Andira Putri and video journalist Anita Putri, both Putris, on the scene to report on the event. Andira.
Yes, hi, good evening, Alia, Hans, and Rory. I hope that you guys could join me and Anita in here. So we're in front of Bengkel Space, Sudirman Central Business District, South Jakarta. And like you mentioned before, currently the music event called Bergandeng Bersama Semesta has already started. So right now you could see around me there are a lot of people, mostly youngsters. They are still lining up to go inside the venue itself. And before I talk about the audiences, let's talk about what is actually Bergandeng Bersama Semesta is all about. So this is a music event which is actually the first showcase for a newly established music label called Semesta Records. So this music label was established in 2021 and founded by one of the renowned name in Indonesian music industry, like you mentioned before, the frontman, the vocalist of the Massive Band, Rian Eki Pradipta, and it aimed to bring more diverse genre to Indonesian music industry. And three singers from the Semesta Records label itself, which are Anastasia Ria, Ryan Pono, as well as Weda Maf, is expected to perform here later tonight. And I mentioned before that each of them will bring diverse genre, so they have different kind of range of performances as well as genre, and like you could find different kind of music in here from pop to rock. So it's gonna be pretty exciting to see them because most of them actually are pretty young talents. Only Ryan itself who actually made a comeback because he used to be a vocalist for a duo called Pasto. So yeah, like I mentioned before, it's gonna be really exciting. And aside from them, there will also be other performances from singers outside the labels, including Second Chance, Nadif Basalama, Gangga, and the main one will be Kunto Aji. So the main theme of this event itself is actually healing, which has been a common term, especially for youngsters nowadays. So what they hope is for healing is because it's the nature of the music itself. Well, also it's really important that maybe all of you could see this event as some sense of encouragement for you to reflect yourself or to give you more cheer up, especially since we are still recovering in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. And now let's talk about the audiences. I mentioned to you that enthusiasm have been going around in here, like since before 6 a.m. A lot of them, mostly youngsters with group of friends as well as lovers, they already in here queuing up, and also, yeah, it's really exciting to see them have different kind of style, different kind of genres. And what's really interesting thing is that this event actually has a unique promotional tool, so more than 100 tickets already sold before the event. And actually, this there is no information about the event itself. So initially, this is some kind of like a surprise event, a unique promotional tool, like I mentioned before, because when they first sold the ticket, they don't have like the lineup, they don't reveal the lineup, they don't reveal the date, and they don't reveal the location of the event itself. However, people still buy it, so it's really interesting. It's really show the power of the music itself. And lastly, through this event, the founder of Semesta Records, Rian Eki Pradipta, hope that they could bring positive contribution to Indonesian music industry. And for more details, here is the statement from Rian Eki Pradipta at today's press conference before the event.
COVID kayaknya nggak kelar sih. Kalau kita nggak bergerak kayaknya akan terus terjebak sama COVID ya. Jadi buat kita harus bergerak, kita harus bikin sesuatu yang baru, kita harus berkolaborasi, kita harus menemukan musisi-musisi muda yang punya energi yang besar. Sebenarnya secara tidak langsung mereka memberikan energi ke gua juga untuk bikin karya-karya juga sih.
Yes, so this event started at 6:30 p.m. and then the last performance will take place at 10:30 p.m. So for those of you, let's have some fun tonight. You still have a lot of time. Maybe Rory, Alia, and Hans, you want to join us, feel free to come, but don't forget to always continue to follow the health protocol. Back to the studio.
Thank you so much, Andira.